I'll pick one. No.
It's in the car, Sam.
Your pink one, what? Hang it first. Should we go sit next to the girl?
Good job. Very good, bud. Stay on the base.
Sit next to the girl. I'm up. I want to pick one. Let's go.
Where is he?
There's nothing in there, Sam.
Come on, Ed.
What?
Christopher, stand up.
Good job, Bubba. That was a good one. Thank you.
Good job. Get ready. When she hits, you gotta go to second.
I'm going to show you something. I don't need your diapers.
Yeah, I'll take them.